Welcome to the YouTube channel of Shet Vidya Mandir English High School. Children, today we are starting with a new chapter, that is your chapter number 14, Water, and this is your first part. Children, we will be completing this chapter in 4 parts. Children, in this first part of the chapter, we will be studying about the water, a natural resource, importance of water and the different sources of water. Water. Children, as we all know, water is the most common and very most important substance for the survival of life after air. Water is used in our daily activities such as bathing, washing, drinking and for irrigation. Water is said to be the universal solvent because nearly all substances partially or completely dissolve in water. Water, a natural resource. Children, as we all know, about 75% of Earth's surface is covered with water. About 2% of water exists in solid form, that is ice. Out of the rest, 98%, about 97.4% is present in oceans and seas and is salty. Only 0.6% of water is fresh water, of which 1.98% is present in ice caps and glaciers, 0.61% is groundwater and only 0.01% is available for consumption. Hence, we conclude from this, children, most of the water available on the earth is not fit for consumption. Hence, there is need to conserve water. Importance of water. Water is an essential and integral component of all living beings. It plays an irreplaceable role in the survival and existence of living organisms. It is the basic need of all living organisms. About 70% of human body is composed of water. Importance of water for humans. Digestion of water in the stomach takes place with the help of water. Water helps in excretion of waste from the body in the form of sweat and urine. Water also maintains the body temperature. Importance of water for plants. A large quantity of water is needed by plants during photosynthesis. Water helps in transportation of minerals among different parts of the plant body. Water is very important for the germination of seeds. Other uses of water. A large amount of water is used in agriculture. A large amount of water is required in industries. Water is used for producing electricity. Water is used for extinguishing fire. Water is needed for many recreation and sports activities. Sources of water. The major sources of water are rainwater, surface water and groundwater. Rainwater. Water vapor in the atmosphere condense to form clouds and fall as rain. Rainwater is said to be the purest form of water. Surface water. Surface water consists of water present in oceans and seas, rivers, lakes, streams and ponds. Water present in oceans and seas contain a large amount of dissolved salts. It is saline or salty water. This water is unfit for consumption, that is, cannot be used for drinking, washing clothes or for irrigation purposes. Water present in rivers, lakes, streams and ponds is fit for consumption. It is formed by melting of snow on mountains and from rain. Groundwater. The water that seeps into the ground, accumulates under the ground, is known as groundwater. Groundwater is found in wells, lakes and springs. Groundwater is drawn through hand pumps and tube wells.